What's going on, YouTubers? I'm gonna do a quick product review of an item that I've been using for about 2 years now, and you can hear it in the background, so that can give you a little idea of how much noise it makes. I mean, for some people it may be considered kind of loud, especially if you put it on the high setting. However, it works fantastic. It helps a great deal saving my energy bills, and I'll show you what it is. A HAIER HPRB08XCM-T 8,000 BTU 700 watt portable air conditioner. And like I said, I've been using this for a couple of years now. I live in an older home. Let me turn it off here. It comes with a remote too, which is totally awesome. I live in an older home, 1974 home that's a small ranch style. But I'm usually here by myself. And especially if I'm just in the back portion of the house or in my bedroom, sleeping or whatever, to have to run the entire home's AC system just to cool myself, especially if I'm sleeping. I just wanted to try another method to see if it made any difference in my electricity bill. So I got one of these, and you can find this anywhere. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, or get one similar at least. Like I said, this is 8,000 BTU, and I'll put dimensions of it too. It's probably 2.5 feet off the ground. It has pretty cool adjustable little vent right there. To set it up, you have to run the exhaust tube, as you see right there. That has to run so that it can exhaust outside the house. So it does require a little bit of setup. And I set mine up where it's got some insulation foam in there, but it puts basically a nice vent to send the warm air outside. It also has a water tank that you have to drain, depending on how often you use it, but there's a water drain right down there on the back. And you may have to drain that. It depends, really. It may be once a quarter, it may be only once every 6 months, but it depends. I just keep the easiest way to drain that tank is to get it off the ground. So I put it on like a little stepping stool like this high, pick it up, and then you unscrew it, you unscrew that little cap right there, if you can't see that too well. And you need some kind of a drain pan to allow the water to drain out, and you can just take it out and pour it out. But I've noticed it doesn't drain all that much. Or it doesn't get filled up all that much. And I use it almost daily and nightly during the summer here in Atlanta, which, it can get pretty warm here in Atlanta, Georgia. But just wanted to give you my little quick review on it. I think this thing is fantastic. It basically helps give the regular home's AC system a little bit of a boost, because I'm in the back bedroom right now, and if I have it on, it'll send cool air out the bedroom and then into the hallway. So that makes that's where the thermostat is located, is in the main hallway. This is just a small ranch house. And all right, this did cost, it could cost anywhere from $200 to $300 depending on where you find it, which sounds expensive. However, I keep track of my electricity bill pretty closely, and this thing paid for itself in less than 1 year. So that is totally awesome. And you know, it just prevents you from having to run your entire AC system if it's not necessary to do that. You know, if you're only in one portion of the house, or you're sleeping even. Like if I'm sleeping, I'll turn this on and not even need the main home's AC system. Now the only issue is this thing is, in my opinion, a little bit loud. See if you can hear this. Okay, that's on low setting. It does have 3 fan settings you can adjust with your little remote that comes with it. Medium. Oh, that's, I'm sorry, let's go back. That's high, medium, low. Okay, it's got various modes you can set with it. Notice on the little display here, you can put it on fan only, you can put it on dehumidify only, AC only. You can also set the timer. It has a timer system that comes, you know, which is awesome because, you know, if you run it all night and you wake up at 5 a.m. freezing your butt off, you know, after sleeping, it's got a timer. So I set this timer to run at maybe 3 hours, 4 hours, because and I close the door of my bedroom so it stays cool in here all night long doing it that way. And then it turns off, you know, after however long I set it with the remote timer. And so I'm not waking up, you know, freezing like crazy. But it also has a thermostat setting. You know, you can change what temperature you want it to run at. I think it's awesome. Remote comes with it. I keep the remote over on my bedside table, but it also has a little slot for it right there. Fantastic. It has little handle areas on the side. There's a filter inside there. But for some people, they might think it's a little bit loud because it's louder than a normal fan. If you like to run a fan at night just for white noise, you might think it's a little loud. So, you know, it's really, it'll be your own personal opinion if you think it's loud or not. But as far as how well it works and is it worth it, I think it's totally worth it. And I have no affiliation with this company. I'm just posting my review of it over, I've used it 2 years now, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone. And once again, the brand name, HAIER, right there. The model again is HPRB08XCM as in Mary dash T as in Tom. 700 watt, 8,000 BTU, portable air conditioner. You might find tons of uses for this kind of thing. I mean, you could put it in a garage or a shop or, you know, a basement or something where you need a little extra AC. That's the only thing though, is you have to run the exhaust fan somewhere, or the exhaust little tube that comes with it. Everything comes with in the box. Full instructions come with it. And there you have it. So check it out. I'll put a link down below. You know, if it's not this exact one, if it's discontinued, I'll put a similar one, you know, with the same specs and whatnot. But it also depends on what size room or space you're trying to cool. You know, if you're in a larger room or an entire half of a house, you might need to go up to 10,000 BTU or larger. So definitely don't skimp on the BTU size when you're looking for one of these, because you'll think it doesn't work well when it's really not powerful enough if you don't get the proper BTU size. And that's that. So check it out and check out our other videos. We do all kinds of stuff here, motorcycle related, ATV repair, car repair, lawnmower repair, fixing stuff around the house. You know, we got all kinds of different videos. So we'll see y'all later. You have a great day.